Today I've teamed up with Myfirstwig and we've got a beauty here. So this here is a kinky straight bob, and this is what it looks like straight out of the box. So for the cap construction, this one here is a traditional cap with the upgraded drawstring. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like on. Hairline So Snatched. It's literally not attached. All I've done is put the wig on. This one also has a drawstring in the back, so you're able to lift, pull it out, and then you can adjust. There's a little stopper here, so you just go ahead and adjust that and get it as tight as you can. Okay, love bugs, we are back. It is much later in the evening, and I am ready to beat this thing. Amazing this one presses out, and the best part is that it keeps all of the body, so she's nice and fluffy. It's giving like a really good blowout with a simple bump at the bottom. Absolutely gorgeous. She is a perfect natural bob. You guys seen how much body and just vibrance she had. Now this one here is the perfect bob for the everyday girl. If you're someone who is trying to get into wigs, or you're into wigs but you want something that is natural, like your fear of like silky straight textures, I think this is one for you because it definitely gives that natural hair in a pressed out or blown out state, and I'm here for it.